Hello everyone, welcome back to Ghost of the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on another qualification video for a head called Are These Terms a Good Match? TAKW English. If we do have um, a video of this, then this is going to be a part two of that. Again, it's the qualification for a head called Are These Terms a Good Match? TAKW English. Guys, before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. We do have a guideline for this. You can open that on a new tab and go through it, but for this one, I'm going to go with um, the thought process on how to work on this one. Anyways, let's jump into the head. I want to make this video really quick. Again, if we encounter any error messages, please do capture a screenshot of that so you can use it as a reference once you take the qualification yourselves. Okay, let's jump into the head and qualification. The keyword is is the keyword related to the query? No, we have to review pairs of search queries and advertisers keywords to help us categorize advertiser keywords info, or rather into exact matches, close matches, and related products. Now, the choices will be exact match, good, or broader, or narrower, or less popular intent, fair, competitor, or alternative related products and topics rather, and none of the above. Now let's jump into the first query. It'll be COD Warzone and Call Duty Warzone. For this one, I am going to go with excellent match. They talk about the same entity here. You can open Google search for both the query and the keyword for you to match them. Okay, moving on to the next is Amazon face masks, cloth face masks kids. For this one, I am going to go with only good. The attributes are not exactly the same. This one talks about a face mask, and this keyword is specific to a cloth masks for kids. Moving on to the next is white versus black mold, and then mold inspector near me. For this one, I am going to go with fair. That'll be a fair competitor or alternative related product topic. Okay, moving on to the next is Skechers calls shoes women, call women boots sale. I am going to go here with um, good. And the next query will be Lego NN75106, and then Lego City Garage. For this, I am going to go with um, not sure. The thing is, because of this word here, or this attribute here, you can consider it as a model name, or maybe just junk. Anyways, I'm gonna submit to this one. Let's see how it goes, or how we did. Okay, we got it right. Right for this one, right for that one, right for that one as well. Moving on to the next page is Levi jeans, Old Navy. I'm sorry, Old Navy. So this is going to be fair competitor. They are two different brands. And the next one is Vita Cost official site. Bear hair sugar candy as the keyword. For this one, I am going to go with only good. Again, broader or narrower, less popular intent. Okay, now in test interstitial cytitis men, and then interstitial cytitis. Here I'm gonna go with good only. Moving on to the next is best commercial grade treadmill home used commercial exercises or exercise bikes. For this, I am going to choose or go with fair. It's going to be a competitor, alternative, related product, or topic. Moving on to the next is HP printers. For this, I am going to choose fair. It'll be fair, competitor, or alternative related product or topic. Let's see how we did by submitting it. Okay. Well, most of that we were able to answer correctly. Moving on to the next is cheap cars sale north. Is it Plate, Nebraska, and cheapest car insurance quotes. For this one, I am going to go with fair only. It's going to be a fair competitor or alternative related product or topic. Moving on is Gulf Shores, Alabama beach houses sale. Beach homes, Gulf Shores, Alabama. For this one, I am going to go with good. Not an exact match. Moving on to the next is leukemia type adults, and the keyword is this leukemia. I am going to go with. It's a bit confusing. I want to make sure we have the right answer here. I'm gonna go here with exact match. Oh, no, I'm gonna go with good. Now moving on to the next is gals and postal uniform. Query is gals. Keyword is postal uniform. With for this one, I am going to go with none of the above. Moving on is Silverado, and again, this one you can consider it as a junk. And then Chev Silverado, or it could be a model. I see this particular attribute on many head apps, and we can consider it as null as well. Anyways, for this one, Silverado, I am going to go with good only. Let's see how we did. Submitting it. Okay, we got an error here. For this one, it should be good. All right, we passed the qualification. Again, it's a short video tutorial. I hope this can help you pass the qualification for the UHRS head app. Called Are These Terms a Good Match? TAKW. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you all for watching. You have a good day, and see you on the next upload. Bye for now.